What's good, my peeps? This one's a quick Bitcoin update, not just a Bitcoin update. We're also going to look at one altcoin that's looking juicy. I'm not going to lie, it's looking really, really juicy. Let's jump in the market. In this video, I show you how important that yellow line was. Bitcoin hits this yellow line. Bitcoin does something like this. I'll be longing. That is my entry right here. Yeah? When everyone was bullish, like we wasn't bullish. We knew Bitcoin was heading towards heavy resistance. Anyways, once Bitcoin hit that yellow line, like I said I would, I entered a long. I'm going to quickly show you what happened. So 5 days ago, I made that video. I said if Bitcoin touches that yellow line, I'm going to enter the trade. And I'll be entering for the price to go up, which is basically a long. I'll enter a long, right? And I did. I entered a long. As you can see, this is my entry. I had a feeling Bitcoin was going to bounce at this yellow line, but I got it wrong by 2.3%. Like, it happens. Like, no one can predict the future, right? So I was wrong. And in trading, you're allowed to be wrong. Like, that's why you use stop losses, isn't it? And it's not the end of the world. Like, I was wrong. I know why I was wrong. And we just move on to the next trade. But anyways, now since we've got a Bitcoin chart in front of us, we might as well quickly get into it, yeah? So cool. This is on the daily. Bitcoin's not looking good on the daily. If you look at all my videos, yeah, let's just go back. If you look at all these videos, yeah, from 11 days ago, like 10 days ago, 10 days ago, 6 days ago, and 5 days ago, I talk about the bullish scenario. The bullish scenario has always been Bitcoin needs to break 98,000 and then make a new high. And the bearish scenario is you don't want Bitcoin to break this yellow line because now it's made a new low. Like whenever price action makes a low, chances of it making a lower high and then coming back down to making a new low is higher. So basically, the trend is telling me on the daily, Bitcoin is in a bearish trend because it just made a new low. So right now, would I be surprised if Bitcoin goes up a little bit and then comes back and make a new low? No. Right now, 84,000 all the way down to 80,000 is in play. Bitcoin can easily go down there. And this channel, you know what we do? We take it level by level, right? And that's right now, I'm being honest with you, it's not looking good for Bitcoin. Now, let's talk about the one setup that I'm looking at, the one altcoin that's looking juicy, and I'm not gonna lie to you lot, I'm gonna enter this long. Like it's looking good. I got my lucky watch here with me. I got my green face sky dweller. I don't know if you lot can see it. I got my mint green face sky dweller with me. I rub this one for luck. Let's just jump straight into market. This is the trade. Ondo. This is on the daily. It's looking nice. We've got some divergence here. I don't really trade just divergence, but I do understand other people trade divergence. I do respect it, but I don't just trade just based on divergence. Let me quickly show you what I mean by divergence, yeah? Over here, you can see a low and a lower low. On the indicator, the RSI, you see a low, a higher low. What did price action do next? It pumped 32%, yeah? That's just one indication of what a diversion can do, yeah? Now we've got another diversion. We got a low and a lower low on the price action. On the indicator, we got a low and a high low. Are we going to get a big move? I don't know. But one thing I do know is if Bitcoin starts bouncing, if Bitcoin starts looking like it's on a bullish move and Bitcoin doesn't look bearish no more, this is the coin I'm going to enter. I was trading this coin the other day, like quick in and out. I made a quick $820 in the space of like less than 45 minutes. I'm gonna quickly show you lot because I post everything on X, innit? So if you don't follow me on X, you don't know what to do. Go and follow me on X. And this will be my Ondo trade. Like I done it on the 23rd of January. As you can see, look, let me quickly show you lot my entry. Boom. That's a beautiful entry. Nice entry. And I sold over here. Obviously, when I sold, like me selling here was a no-brainer. Resistance up here. I had a feeling it was gonna go up, but I was happy with the profit because I made this in a short space of time, in a very, very short space of time, yeah? So I was thinking, cool, why not? And that was the first trade of the day. First trade of the day, boom. I've been looking at Ondo for quite a while now, yeah? So even when I closed my long position, I was gonna enter a short position, but I was busy. I had other stuff to do and I couldn't do it. And yesterday when I saw it dumped, I was like, she, I could have been in that short. But it is what it is, man. You know how it is. When you miss the train, you miss the train, right? So now I'm looking for a long, but Bitcoin needs to play along with us. Like if Bitcoin starts doing dumb shit and if it starts going down, my whole thinking process on Ondo is gonna change and I'm gonna short it. Why would you ask that? Because Bitcoin controls the whole market. Before I go, I'm gonna show you like one cheat code, one quick cheat code, and I just hope you lot take this one in, yeah? This is the easiest cheat code you're ever gonna get. This is a Bitcoin dominance chart, yeah? So I'm gonna make this nice and easy for everyone to understand, yeah? If this starts going down, yeah, and you're in a long position, your longs will play out. If this starts going up and you're in a short position, your shorts will start moving nicely. So whenever people trade, yeah, they need to understand something. You don't need to see what Bitcoin's doing. You don't need to understand what Bitcoin dominance is doing. And of course, you don't need to understand what USDT dominance is doing. These are the cheat codes of trading. Yeah. Like, so basically, if this is looking like it's going to blow up and go up, you should be in short positions. If this is looking like it's going to dump, you should be in long positions. This is a cheat code. And if you don't understand about dominance and how to trade based on dominance, hit me up in the comments below and I'll make a video about it. And if you don't understand about divergence and you want to learn about divergence and you want me to do videos about divergence because there's hidden divergence, there's bullish divergence, bearish divergence. If you lot don't know about none of that stuff, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. So in this video, we've covered Bitcoin's update, and I've also showed you lot the one setup that I'm looking to enter. We talked a little bit about dominance. I showed you lot what diversions are. And if you don't want me to make any videos about something that you don't understand or something you want to learn about, hit me up in the comments below and I'll sort that out for you guys. But you don't know what to do. Like, subscribe, all of that. I'll hit you up with some more.